I've been running the Centrofan PE for about 15 minutes now, evaporating the juice from a jar of jalapeno peppers in 6 20 ml scintillation vials inside the Centrofan. This is a device which evaporates volatiles, or volatilizes any liquids that you put in here and then recondenses them in this cold trap. I have a frozen water bottle as a source of cold for condensing the vapors that are coming across from the Centrofan. In this round bottom flask I've been collecting the liquid off of the jalapeno pepper juice. I'm not sure if juice is the proper term, but it's whatever's left behind in the jar after you eat the peppers, which is what I did last night. Basically used a pipette to put the material into the scintillation vials, and they look like this. And I'm sort of anxious to see what this tastes like. If the chemistry is right, what I think is happening is that we're bringing across, along with the aqueous vapor, the water vapor, the lighter flavors and fragrance materials from the jalapeno pepper liquid, leaving behind any trace of capsaicin, which is the material that gives the jalapeno pepper its spiciness. Capsaicin has a molecular weight about 305. And because of the way the Centrofan works, the centrifugal force being applied to the sample containers is keeping that heavy material in the jars, in the scintillation vials, while the vapor is allowed to come across and condense over here in the cold trap. In this close-up view of the cold trap, you can see the liquid dripping off the chilled interior cold finger, which is a part of the cold trap. There's essentially a glass envelope within a glass envelope here. The warm vapor is passing between the space between the two glass surfaces. It condenses on the inner surface, which has the frozen water bottle inside it, and as the liquid condenses, it drips to the collection receiver in the lower part of the cold trap. Collection receiver being down here. You can see the liquid probably splash in the bottom of the cold trap periodically, where we're basically recondensing the vapor that was generated by the Centrofan. So just to show you what this looks like, see the progress we're making. Opening the lid of the Centrofan stops the rotor and the evaporation progress. There is a polypropylene element here called a splitter, which enables the drying rate to be greatly increased. You can see some of the liquid perhaps, which was in the jalapeno pepper jar that I've deposited. There's quite a bit that is gone. And over here we have the extract that's been collected. And I thought I'd actually taste the difference. Now I know what a jalapeno pepper tastes like. And just to prove this is the real thing, so I think that's delicious. That is spicy jalapeno pepper juice. I could drink that like orange juice. On this side, this should have no capsaicin in it. That is very interesting. It tastes like a jalapeno pepper, but it actually is not hot at all. That is incredible. What a lot of fun. I mean, this is like a science fair. I probably should have had my daughter do at one point. So I mean, we're actually proving chemistry and molecular weights and evaporation, condensation, This is it's a fabulous tool for extracting the flavors and fragrances, the light molecules, from food products, leaving behind anything over about 200 molecular weight is going to stay in the glassware. So this is a very interesting device and experiment for potentially processing food products. Thank you very much again for listening to this explanation of the Centrifan PE. If you have any other questions or would like a quotation, want to talk about having one of these devices in your own lab, please contact Modular SFC using any of the contact information on the screen. Thank you very much.